Thank you for your interest in the US 77 Odem Area Planning Study. This interactive map will help you look at the potential route options that are being considered for this study. Once you enter the interactive map, you will notice a welcome window that informs you of the study purpose. Once you have read the information, you can click the X on the top right or click OK to access the map. To use this map, zoom in and zoom out with the scroll wheel on your mouse or the navigation tools in the top left corner. Click on the Home button to return the map to the initial view. If you are accessing the map using your handheld device, you can zoom in and zoom out with your fingers on the screen. The Map Layers panel on the top right allows you to explore the study area, route options, environmental features, and street labels. The legend on the top right is dynamic. It will only show what is turned on and off. As you zoom in or out of the map, new items will appear in the legend to indicate what is visible on your view of the map. Let's look at the route options on the Map Layers panel. Here you can view multiple options or individual route options. You will notice a small arrow on the left of each layer, which will expand to give you a variety of options. After you expand the route options layer, you can turn on or turn off the individual or multiple route options that you would like to see by clicking the eyeball or hide layer tool on the left of each route option. As you zoom into the map, environmental features data begins to appear. This data includes features such as wetlands, floodplains, oil wells, cemeteries, historical sites, and other features. Just like the route options, you can turn on or turn off environmental features to only see the features you would like by clicking the eyeball to the left of each environmental feature in the Map Layers panel. For instance, if you only want to see airports, you will expand the environmental features in the Map Layers panel and select airports and unselect all other features. In the map layers, there are street labels to help orient you, which you can also turn on and off. Thank you for your interest in the US 77 Odem Area Planning Study. Please take your time and explore the route options within the map. To go back to the study page, please click the link at the bottom of this page.